TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. It's a driving force behind the AI revolution. Supplying essential chips to tech giants like Nvidia, Google, and Microsoft, TSMC is at the forefront of AI advancement. However, its strategic location near China raises concerns about global reliance. In this eye-opening video, explore TSMC's profound impact on AI development and international power dynamics. Uncover the intricate story of this shadow giant holding the keys to our technological future. Stay tuned as we unravel the complex world of TSMC, promising an enlightening journey ahead. In the fast-paced world of technology, there's a hidden hero that often goes unnoticed. It's not a household name, yet its influence reverberates throughout the global tech landscape. Meet Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, the unsung champion responsible for producing the world's most advanced artificial intelligence (AI) chips. But there's a catch. This vital facility is located in one of the most geopolitically sensitive areas on Earth, and the world's dependence on it is reaching unprecedented levels. The future of AI hangs in the balance, and it's a precarious situation that demands our attention. TSMC is the beating heart of the AI revolution. It manufactures the chips that power the technologies we rely on daily, from Nvidia's GPUs to Google's TPUs, AMD's GPUs, AI chips for Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and a multitude of other competitors. In essence, modern AI would be a mere shadow of itself without TSMC. Time magazine recently dubbed TSMC as the world's most important company that you've probably never heard of, and Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, described it as being as ubiquitous as air. TSMC's chip fabrication facilities, or fabs, are situated on the western coast of Taiwan, a mere 110 miles from mainland China. The simmering tension between Taiwan and China has many analysts predicting conflict within the decade. In a world where technology drives progress, this geopolitical hotbed threatens to plunge us into a crisis that could cripple the global AI ecosystem. To understand TSMC's significance, it's crucial to delve into the world of semiconductor manufacturing. These chips are the most complex objects mass-produced by humanity. Crafting them demands the purest metals, the most advanced machinery, specialized engineers, and microscopic precision. Here's the catch. There are two types of chip companies: fabulous chip makers, designers, and foundries, manufacturers. TSMC falls into the latter category and is among the few companies worldwide capable of producing cutting-edge AI chips. TSMC's dominance isn't by chance, it's a result of economies of scale, network effects, and a mastery of specialization. They've cultivated deep partnerships across the semiconductor supply chain, from software providers like Cadence to chip designers like Nvidia. This interconnected web of relationships has made TSMC irreplaceable, a linchpin upon which the global tech industry rests. Geopolitically, the situation is a tightrope walk. The US has banned the export of high-end AI chips to China to gain leverage over the semiconductor supply chain. Simultaneously, TSMC is expanding its operations in the United States, a move aimed at reducing reliance on its Taiwan-based fabs. However, the US alone cannot replace TSMC's capabilities. The world finds itself in a delicate balancing act, where the future of AI hangs in the balance. Two scenarios loom large: optimism and pessimism. The optimistic viewpoint, often referred to as the Silicon Shield, suggests that China, dependent on Taiwan for chips, would hesitate to invade. Conversely, the pessimistic scenario paints a bleak picture. If conflict erupts, TSMC's fabs could become inoperative, disrupting global AI chip production and sending shockwaves through the tech industry. Samsung is the closest alternative to TSMC, but it would take years to match TSMC's capabilities. Intel, once a semiconductor leader, is working on an ambitious plan to regain its chip manufacturing prowess, but success is uncertain. While the world holds its breath over the geopolitical situation, there are glimmers of hope. Existing stocks of AI chips offer some respite. Additionally, fabs worldwide can produce less advanced chips, albeit less powerful, which could support AI workloads in a pinch. In conclusion, the world of AI faces an astonishingly precarious single point of failure in TSMC. Our dependence on this Taiwanese company for cutting-edge AI chips is unprecedented. As tensions in the region escalate, it's crucial to pay attention to the diplomatic efforts aimed at safeguarding the future of AI. In a world where technology shapes our lives, the geopolitical tightrope walk involving TSMC holds the keys to AI's future, and we all have a stake in its outcome.